Hi everybody, Chris Justice here with you. I want to give you an update on the rain going into the overnight hours. I do expect it to continue and pick up. The flood threat is very high going into the overnight hours. We've had about an inch in many locations. You can expect about 2 inches more from West Greenville on over toward Pickens, Oconee, northern Anderson County, and then especially back toward northeast Georgia and Rabun and Haversham counties, as much as 2 to 2.5 inches of additional rain on the way. And some of you have already had about 1.5 inches. Let me time it all out for you. The heaviest rain arrives after midnight between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Your commute to school and work, it looks like we're going to have torrential rain across the area. And some of that will come down in driving rain. So flooding is a possibility as you go out the door on your Tuesday. So please know that your commute may look a little bit different than it typically does, and that's going to be the case for many of us. So please do not drive through any kind of standing water. By 10 o'clock, there's some storms rolling through the area, possibly a few rumbles of thunder as the main line goes on through. But looking at the 12-hour forecast, it does look like beyond 1 o'clock, our rain chances start to go down. So that is certainly some good news here for us. And looking at the extended forecast, it does look like another round of rain moves our way on Thursday, giving us some substantial rain Wednesday night to Thursday. That looks to be about 1 inch of soaking rain, bringing our week-long totals from last Thursday to this Thursday over 10 inches in many locations. So keeping a close eye on the rivers right now as we go into the overnight hours. It does look like winter-like air moves back into our forecast Friday and Saturday as drier, colder air moves in, highs back in the 40s, and then as we get into Sunday, another rain system moves our way as temperatures warm back into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Stay safe out there, folks.